Okay, so they just added sound blocks. Sound blocks in Grab VR. That is like crazy. Okay, and they even added a new lobby. Blocks? Sound blocks! Sound blocks! They added sound blocks. That's crazy. Let's see if I could work sound blocks. Where the heck is it? Sound blocks. Click. How do you work it? You use like a trigger or something? So wait, what if I just kind of... Imagine making a piano. That would actually be cool. There you go. And then let me connect. Oh, that's crazy! How much is that? 15? That's 8. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. They added sound blocks. Why is it a circle though? Why can't you make it bigger? Random. Wow. I do not like that at all. Okay. That is... Here, let me do a trigger. That is crazy they added it. What levels have people made? Here, let me leave. But that's crazy they added it. I could hear it. I love it. Sound. Let's go to these. What do you even do? What do you do here? Wait, what? Oh, there's an ending.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are
What are you talking about? Oh, you have to grab on this. Fine, I'm gonna grab on it. But that's crazy. They actually added sounds. Okay. Have people made levels with it? You know what? Let's look around. Let's look around. What's this? Oh. That's crazy. Hey, who are you? Who are you? I don't like the way you walk. They made waterfalls! What about like music? Like, can you add like music to your game? I wanna know that. Like, can you make a piano? Very popular grab level memorial. What's this? I wanna know what this is. Thomas the Tank. What's this? Exit. Yeah, let me exit. Me, obviously. Index! Index made it. Index helped it. Helped. One, two. Pix? Pix and Converse? The nothing? That's crazy. Oh, what's this? Piano? What do you do? Piano. They made a piano. They made a piano. What? I'm now a professional artist. Wait, what is this? Black lines are pauses. So it goes. Oh, it's doing, okay. It's doing the grab. I just realized that. No. What was that? I want to paint. I want to paint. Paint. I will be an artist. That is crazy. Wait, will the sound be heard by others though? Maybe it would do like is shared, something like that. But that's crazy. I'm still like hyped. That's crazy how they actually made. What's this? Oh, okay. The tower. The tower. Whoa! Whoa! Crazy! Oh, I just fell. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's go. Allow player to move mid-air. This doesn't have any sound. That's disappointing. I want to do that. Oh, it doesn't work. I can still hear the sound. Is it still doing it? I want to know how to do that. Here, I want to spawn a checkpoint. I'm going to spawn it right here. It was working. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I want to know how to do that. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna keep it. Oh, da 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 da. Okay, well that was cool. Whoa, what is this? I just saw this. Now, I want to go over here. What's this? Oh, you think you can get me? Oh. It's crazy someone actually made a... Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Bounce room. We love bouncing. Okay, yeah, I'm glad I died. Let's go over here. Ice room. Jumpity, jumpity, jump, jump, jump. Okay, it's really hard. How do you... Oh yeah, because you can jump. Crouch. Oh, another... But anyways, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, because this day was like crazy. So bye. I don't like you guys.